Hi, my name is Avinash. I'm a sales engineer at OPSWAT. In this video, I'm going to speak about how OPSWAT helps in protecting world's critical infrastructures with its comprehensive set of cybersecurity solutions for protecting IT and OT networks. First, I'd like to start with our Neuralizer solution. Visibility and monitoring are key aspects for successful operations of a production network. Our Neuralizer solution provides the discovery of all your OT assets, and also it alerts you if there are any violations in communications between the OT assets, and then it also alerts you if there are any rogue device that gets connected into your OT network. The next, we have our OT Fuse. Our OT Fuse is an inline IDS IPS firewall, which helps you to protect against undesirable commands that would be sent to your HMI or PLC devices, which could potentially end up in a production outage for your organization. The next, we have our Meta Defender Vault. Our Meta Defender Vault is a secure repository solution which helps to handle the transfer of files within your OT network in a secure way. Our Meta Defender Vault scans all the files that comes into the vault with using our industry-leading technologies like multi-scanning, deep CDR, and proactive DLP, and also it ensures the files are timely scanned, and also whenever the files are retrieved back, it is again scanned so that it ensures the files are always clean whenever they are used in your OT network. The next solution that we have is a OPSWAT network. So whenever there is an air-gapped networks, there is a necessity for flow of traffic into your air-gapped networks. Our OPSWAT network product helps you in providing a truly unidirectional flow of data either into your OT network or out of your OT network, ensuring your OT network is completely secure. So next, I would like to introduce about our Meta Defender kiosk solution. So when it comes to the files that gets transferred into your air-gapped networks to removable medias, we need to ensure it is completely secure. Our Meta Defender kiosk helps the users to bring in the removable medias, either it would be a USB stick, or it could be your smartphones, or it could be your CD drives. So whenever a user inserts the removable media into your kiosk solution, it scans the files using our industry-leading technologies like multi-scanning, deep CDR, and proactive DLP module. And once the files are scanned, and it helps to transfer the clean files into your air-gapped OT network, either through our NetWall and then to the OPSWAT Meta Defender Vault solution, or it helps us to transfer through a approved removable media which can be used into your OT network, or it helps to use the same media file and it helps us to take into the OT network. And here we can have our Meta Defender USB firewall or OPSWAT client, which helps to ensure that there is no unscanned media that can enter into your OT network. Thus, our Meta Defender kiosk solution helps to frame proper security policies when it comes to handling the files that enters through removable media. Next, I would like to go with our IT networks. So the first solution that I would like to tell you about is our Meta Defender Core. So when it comes to handling of files, so the organization has to ensure whatever the files that it receives from the internet are completely secure. Our Meta Defender Core solution helps in achieving it by scanning the files with our industry-leading technologies like multi-scanning, which helps to scan the files against 30+ malware engines for detecting known threats. Then we have our deep CDR module, which does the data sanitization of files by removing the potentially malicious objects like macros or scripts that could be embedded in a document. Then we have our proactive DLP module, which helps in protecting against sensitive data information. And finally, it helps to ensure only clean files are going into our network. Then we have our Meta Defender ICAP server, which can be used in your perimeter of your network by integrating with your next generation firewalls, or it could be your reverse proxies or your web application firewalls. So our Meta Defender ICAP server integrates with your perimeter network devices, and then whatever the files that comes into your network are sent to our Meta Defender ICAP server, and it is scanned using our Meta Defender core technologies, ensuring the files that enters into your network are contained at that perimeter level. So next, we have our Meta Defender email security solutions. So emails are the more common threat vector for most of cyber attacks that are happening right now. So our Meta Defender email security helps to scan all the emails that comes into your organizations or go out of your organizations by using anti-spam, anti-phishing, and on top of it, it also scans the files using our Meta Defender technologies like multi-scanning, deep CDR, and proactive DLP. So the next solution I would like to speak about is our Meta Access solutions. So when it comes to BYOD environment, so the organization had to ensure whatever the device that gets connected into your networks are properly authenticated, and also they are compliant enough before they can access any of the resources in our organization. So our Meta Access solution helps to achieve that by authenticating all your devices that gets connected to your network, and also it helps to do a compliance check against whatever the policies that we have in an organization. So next, I would like to speak about our MetaDefender secure storage solution. So when it comes to the handling of files that get stored inside our networks, so we need to ensure they are always safe. So our MetaDefender secure storage solution helps to scan the files that get stored in a network. Either it could be on-prem or it could be in the cloud. So it periodically scans the files that are available in your storage using our industry-leading technologies like deep CDR and multi-scanning, and ensures the files that stays in our network are always clean. So as you can see, OPSWAT provides comprehensive set of cybersecurity solution which helps in protecting your IT and OT networks. Thank you for watching.